This is how to filter by device in Google Search Console. From your dashboard, select a property, then go to Performance. Then you can see here Add Filter. Just click this one and go to Device and choose a device. So for instance, desktop, and just click Apply. And you can see here the queries for this desktop device. You can also go to devices directly. So we'll just reset this filter and just click device, then choose a device. For now, let's say mobile. And you can see here the performance filtered by mobile device. So this is how to filter by device in Google Search Console.